to show you my 3 favorite places in this home, with the first being here in the dining room. This is where I can see myself working from home every day. From here, I've got a park-like setting to the right of me. Beautiful dogwoods, the duck pond where we have ducks crossing. Straight ahead, we have the fully covered patio. Then to the left of me, we have the great room. And with the newer broken floor plan with distinct alcoves, it's really comfortable for just me being here alone. But this is a large and open of a space that you can entertain dozens of people. Now let's check out my next favorite place upstairs. But when we walk through this kitchen here, I want to point out that in the pantry, in the large laundry room upstairs, in the primary walk-in closet, we have custom organizers that are just gorgeous. My next favorite place is the loft here upstairs. It's central to all the bedrooms, right up the stairs. Why I really like it is that this is where we wind down. Personally, this is where I can see myself folding laundry, watching a movie, because it's right next to the extra large laundry room and linen closet and all the bedrooms around us. And another of my favorite places is the primary suite. Vaulted ceilings, east-facing windows to let in that morning light, but most importantly, it's very well appointed. We have a large walk-in closet and a 5-piece bath.